Welcome to CBS Automotive. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. In today's video, we're featuring this 2018 VW Toran R line. This vehicle is coming to us and we've installed a detachable swan neck, which is a Witter bar, as well as the factored 7-pin dedicated wiring loom. In this video, I'll be going through all of that and a bit more. So if you're new to our channel and you haven't done so already, hit the subscribe button below and it will keep you up to date with all of our latest videos. In terms of what's actually involved in doing a tow bar installation like this, is basically the first step is actually choosing what you guys want to have installed. We do that by consultation. If you head onto our website, you can book a consultation with us. We'll sit down with you and we'll go through all the different options that you have, whether you want a detachable swan neck, fixed bar, also the advantages of a dedicated wiring loom in more detail. I'm going to touch on that a bit later on in the video. In terms of this system, we went through, chose the options that we were after. And in terms of this system, we've chosen a Witter detachable swan neck. Incredible bit of kit, extremely good quality tow bar, and we only install the best. That's why we generally stick to Witter, Westfalia, and we're also an approved service centre as well for them. So in terms of this vehicle, once we've chosen all the products, we get the vehicle in and we start off by taking off the bumper. Bumpers now come off, and then what we do is remove the crash beam of the vehicle. So that is then replaced with the actual tow bar itself. What you see from the outside of the vehicle aesthetically once the install's done is just the neck, but behind the scenes there's a huge bar that basically goes into the exact chassis point of the vehicle. So that goes in, and then the main thing here is the dedicated wiring loom. So what a dedicated wiring loom is, it means that the wiring isn't hooked up to the rear lights, it's not using a little sort of buzzer from the back when you indicate, which if you have bypass electrics, you may have noticed that when you indicate you get a little buzzing noise from the back. That's that buzzer and the relay working there. This system is fully integrated into the vehicle. What it means is the wiring goes into given points from the manufacturer. It not only is the proper way of doing a tow bar installation, however, it also retains all the safety features of your vehicle, and that's the key element here. Bypass electrics just isn't a safe way of installing on these new vehicles. These vehicles have what's called CAN bus electrics inside them. Basically, it's a very intelligent brain inside the vehicle, is the simplest terms to put it in. And what this tow bar electrics does is basically hooks up into given points as though the manufacturer is putting a tow bar in. And then what we do is recode the vehicle. What that does is it adapts parking sensors, adapts fuel systems, braking systems, a load of different parameters that make your vehicle safe before the tow bar was installed, and it basically adjusts that so the vehicle is still safe once you're towing. Whether that's a small cycle carrier, trailer, caravan, whatever it may be, you're adding more weight to the vehicle than what the vehicle was anticipated to carry. So that's why it's so important to have a dedicated wiring loom as well as the recoding facility if the vehicle needs it. But we'll run through all of that when we see your vehicle, or when we go over the phone with you or over email. But we can do quotes over the phone and on email if you are a bit further afield. We get customers travel from all over the country to us, and we're really proud of that. And that's why when we go through, even on the phone, we'll go through everything in great detail with you. But hopefully you've seen a little bit more about the wiring and also behind the scenes about what's involved on one of these. Hopefully you found the video useful. If you haven't done so already, make sure you press the subscribe button just to help us out, grow our channel, and also share this video with friends and family as well. But thank you very much, guys, and we look forward to upgrading your car soon. Thank you.